Some Prime Day deals save you a few dollars. Others make you seriously reconsider your shopping list. This year's sale features substantial price cuts across smartphones, laptops, smart home technology, productivity tools, and many more, making it an excellent opportunity to upgrade devices you've been eyeing for months. All product links are provided in the description, and for live hourly updates, visit thedetailedguide.com. Let's dive in. Number 35. Ego Power Plus 56V 550-watt rapid charger is now $168.99, a must-have accessory for Ego lawn equipment owners, delivering rapid charging performance that minimizes downtime between yard work sessions. Number 34. Dual replacement charger for Ego 56V batteries was $135.99, now $115.59. Charge 2 batteries simultaneously with this dual-port charger compatible with a wide range of Ego Power Plus battery models. Number 33. Walkie-talkies for adult long-range 10-pack was $128.99, now $103.19. Perfect for events, construction sites, security teams, and outdoor adventures, these rechargeable radios include headsets and built-in flashlights. Number 32. TP-Link BE650 Wi-Fi 7 router was $179.99, now $129.99. Upgrade to next-generation networking with Wi-Fi 7 speeds, dual 2.5 gigabits per second ports, advanced security features, and support for dozens of connected devices. Number 31. Casper Sleep Hybrid Snow Pillow King was $209, now $188.10. Stay cool and comfortable throughout the night with premium cooling materials and supportive hybrid pillow construction. Number 30. Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer was $229.99, now $199.99. Ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, and RVs, this compact dryer provides dependable drying performance without taking up much space. Number 29. TP-Link Deco TE7 BE25 Wi-Fi 7 Mesh System 3-pack was $249.99, now $199.99. Blanket your home with fast Wi-Fi 7 coverage across up to 6,600 square feet, while benefiting from AI-powered roaming and multi-gig connectivity. Number 28. Bissell CrossWave Pet Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop was $219.99, now $179.99. Clean hard floors and area rugs simultaneously while tackling pet hair, dirt, and everyday messes with a single machine. Number 27. Bissell CrossWave Edge Cordless Plus was $269.99, now $200.99. Featuring cordless convenience, edge cleaning technology, and a tangle-free brush roll, this vacuum and mop combo simplifies floor care. Number 26. NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwasher was $330, now $290. A compact dishwasher with a built-in water tank, multiple cleaning modes, and air dry functionality, ideal for apartments and small kitchens. Number 25. BenQ PD2706QN 27-inch Creator Monitor was $399.99, now $299.99. Designed for creatives, this factory-calibrated monitor offers exceptional color accuracy, USB-C connectivity, and ergonomic adjustability. Number 24. Bissell CrossWave HydroScrub Plus Cordless was $399.99, now $319.99. A premium wet-dry vacuum and mop featuring edge cleaning, sanitization support, headlights, and extended cordless runtime. Number 23. Casper Sleep Original Pillow 2-pack was $171, now $119.99. Upgrade your sleep setup with supportive down alternative pillows designed for all sleeping positions. Number 22. Retevis Walkie-talkies 6-pack was $139.99, now $104.98. Reliable long-range communication for schools, churches, events, warehouses, and outdoor activities. Number 21. Ring Spotlight Cam Plus Solar was $209.99, now $119.99. Monitor your property day and night with motion alerts, color night vision, two-way talk, and solar-powered convenience. Number 19. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus with Chime was $214.98, now $119.99. Keep tabs on deliveries and visitors with head-to-toe video, package alerts, and included indoor Chime support. Number 18. DREAME L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop was $589.99, now $379.92. Enjoy automated cleaning with self-washing mops, auto-emptying functionality, obstruction avoidance, and powerful suction. Number 17. DREAME D30 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop was $539.99, now $454.36. Featuring 25,000 PA suction, edge cleaning technology, and an all-in-one maintenance station for hands-free operation. Number 16. Silonn Nugget Ice Maker was $229.99, now $149.78. Produce chewable nugget ice at home with rapid ice production, self-cleaning functionality, and compact countertop convenience. Number 15. Instant Pot Pro Plus 10-in-1 Multi-Cooker was $229.99, now $180.49. Cook smarter with 10 cooking functions, app connectivity, remote monitoring, and guided recipes. Number 14. ASUS ProArt Display PA278 CRGV 27-inch monitor was $299.99, now $249.99. A creator-focused QHD monitor featuring exceptional color accuracy, HDR support, USB-C connectivity, and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Number 13. ASUS ROG Strix 34-inch QD-OLED gaming monitor was $999, now $649. Experience stunning ultra-wide gaming with QD-OLED technology, incredible contrast, and lightning-fast responsiveness. Number 12. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus was $1,099.99, now $799. This premium Android tablet combines Galaxy AI tools, a gorgeous AMOLED display, S Pen support, and impressive battery life. Number 11. Apple MacBook Air 13-inch M5 was $1,099, now $949.99. Apple's latest ultra-portable laptop delivers excellent performance, outstanding battery life, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Number 11. Apple MacBook Air 13-inch M5 was $1,299, now $1,099.99. Enjoy a larger display while retaining the lightweight design and powerful M5 performance. Number 10. Microsoft Laptop 2024 Snapdragon X Elite was $2,199.99, now $1,499.99. A premium AI-ready laptop featuring a powerful Snapdragon X Elite processor, touchscreen display, 16GB RAM, and 1TB SSD storage. Number 9. Blink Outdoor 2K Plus 5 camera system was $349.99, now $156.99. Secure your home with sharp 2K video, wireless installation, enhanced audio, and up to 2 years of battery life. Number 8. Blink Outdoor 2K Plus and Video Doorbell Bundle was $419.98, now $166.99. Expand your home's protection with 5 outdoor security cameras and a smart video doorbell in one package. Number 7. Blink Video Doorbell Plus Outdoor 4 XR Bundle was $479.98, now $156.99. One of the strongest security bargains available, offering extended range cameras, smart alerts, and long-lasting battery performance. Number 6. Canon EOS R5 with RF 24-105mm lens was $4,549, now $4,049. Capture professional-grade photos and stunning 8K video with Canon's flagship mirrorless camera and versatile RF lens. Number 5.
Sony Alpha 9 III mirrorless camera was $6,799.99, now $6,398, featuring the world's first full-frame global shutter sensor and blazing fast performance for professionals. Number 4. Xtool F1 Dual Laser Engraver was $1,699, now $999. Create detailed engravings on metal, jewelry, leather, wood, and more with this portable dual laser machine. Number 3. Xtool F2 Ultra Fiber Laser Engraver was $4,999, now $4,499. A powerful AI-assisted engraving machine capable of high-speed metal engraving, custom manufacturing, and small business production work. Number 2. Ecovacs Dbot T90 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop was $899.99, now $699. This advanced cleaning robot features 30,000 PA.
Number 1. DREAME Aqua 10 Ultra Roller Vacuum and Mop was $1,599.99, now $1,249.99. The headline smart home deal on this list, combining 30,000 PA suction, heat washing and drying, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, voice control, and premium automation features, the Aqua 10 Ultra delivers one of the most advanced hands-free cleaning experiences available today. Thanks for watching.